No curling iron, no problem. If you want soft romantic hairstyles that last all day without the need of heat, keep watching this video. This fall, your hair can look effortlessly feminine without the heat damage or hours of styling. Today, I'm sharing 10 quick heatless hairstyles that are perfect for cozy layers, chunky scarves, and golden autumn days. Let's start with the first one on the list, the one and only rope braid crown. If you want a style that feels romantic but still keeps your hair out of the way, the rope braid crown is a great choice. Start by taking a small section of hair near your temple and splitting it into 2 strands. Twist them over each other, moving toward the back of your head, and secure them with a pin. Do the same on the other side, then connect the 2 braids at the back. I like to finish with a light mist of hairspray, just enough to keep flyaways under control, but without making your hair stiff. It's the kind of style that works just as well for a lunch date as it does for running errands. And if you love a style that frames your face beautifully while still feeling secure, the next one is another favorite, the low twisted bun. This style is a go-to for crisp autumn days, especially when you're wearing a scarf or a cozy turtleneck. The way it sits low at the nape keeps it comfortable and avoids that bulk you sometimes get when a hairstyle competes with your layers. To do it, gather your hair into a low ponytail, twist it gently, and coil it into a bun right at the base of your neck. Secure it with bobby pins, but don't overdo it, just enough to keep it in place while still allowing a bit of natural movement. Leaving a few soft pieces to fall around your face adds that feminine touch without looking too fussy. It's a classic style that feels graceful without trying too hard. It works just as well for a lunch out as it does for a walk through the park with a warm drink in hand. And if you like the idea of a style that's even faster, something you can put together in less than a minute and still look polished, the next one is worth keeping in your back pocket. The claw clip has made a huge comeback, and it's one of the easiest, most hair-friendly tools you can own, which is perfect for both casual days and polished looks. To get this style, start by gathering your hair from the nape of your neck, twist it upward until the ends are pointing up, then fold the length down against your head. Secure it with a medium or large claw clip, making sure it grips firmly but comfortably. The twist instantly adds a touch of refinement, while the clip distributes pressure evenly so your hair stays secure without pulling or causing breakage. It's chic, effortless, and works just as beautifully with straight hair as it does with natural waves or curls. This is a style you can do in seconds, which makes it a lifesaver on busy mornings. If you prefer something that's just as quick but has a softer, more romantic feel, the soft side braid is perfect. There's something effortlessly feminine about a side braid, especially when it's loose and slightly undone. Sweep all your hair over one shoulder, braid it gently, and then pull apart the edges with your fingers to make it look fuller and softer. This little touch gives it that romantic, lived-in feel instead of a tight schoolgirl look. The style works beautifully with layers, letting shorter pieces fall naturally around the face, which adds movement and frames your features in the most flattering way. It's an easy choice for casual days, but it also transitions well for more dressed-up occasions if you pair it with statement earrings or a bold lip. Plus, it pairs perfectly with a hat, beret, or even a scarf draped loosely over the head for a chic, European-inspired vibe. But if you like the idea of adding a little accessory without overdoing it, you'll love the next one with a scarf tie. A half-up style is flattering at any age, and adding a scarf gives it a seasonal charm that feels both timeless and fresh. Gather the top half of your hair, secure it with a soft elastic, and then tie a silk or satin scarf around it for that extra touch of flair. Choose warm, rich tones like burgundy, mustard, or deep green to complement the earthy colors of fall and make your look feel intentional. You can let the scarf ends drape down for a romantic effect or tuck them neatly for something sleeker. This small addition instantly adds personality and polish without requiring much time at all. It's playful without feeling too youthful, And it offers a refreshing break from the usual hair ties and clips, making even the simplest outfit feel styled. But if you prefer something even sleeker but still easy, the low ponytail sleek style will be right up your alley. The simplest hairstyles are often the most sophisticated, and this is a perfect example. Gather your hair into a low ponytail, then take a small section from underneath. Wrap it around the elastic and pin it discreetly underneath so the pin doesn't show. It instantly makes a plain ponytail look polished and intentional. It works beautifully for straight, wavy or curly hair, and it stays comfortable all day. And if you want to take that same elegant but easy idea and make it more of an updo, the next one is a loose, modern take on a French twist. The traditional French twist is sleek, polished and almost red carpet ready, but the messy version offers something entirely different. It feels softer, more romantic, and far more approachable for everyday elegance. To create it, start by gathering your hair low at the nape of your neck, as if you're about to make a simple low ponytail. From there, twist the hair upward toward the crown, keeping a gentle grip so it's not pulled too tightly. Tuck the ends neatly into the roll and secure them with bobby pins. Or, if you want to add a little sparkle, slide in a decorative comb or pearl hairpin. The beauty of this style lies in its imperfection. Don't worry about smoothing every strand. In fact, let a few wisps fall naturally around your face and at the nape to frame your features, and keep the look soft. The result is an effortlessly chic updo that works perfectly for dinners, holiday gatherings, weekend brunches, or even just a day when you want to feel a bit more put together without going overly formal. It's one of those styles that makes people wonder if you just woke up looking like that in the best way possible. But if you're craving more texture, the next braid gives you just that. This braid is a showstopper in texture, but surprisingly easy to do, making it perfect for both casual days and special occasions. Start by dividing your hair into 2 equal sections. From the outer edge of one section, take a thin strand and cross it over to the other side. Then, repeat the same step on the opposite side, creating a crisscross pattern. Continue alternating until you reach the very end, securing it with a small, clear elastic. For that soft, romantic look, gently pull apart each loop to add volume and dimension. This style is especially flattering if you have highlighted or salt and pepper hair, because the intricate weave beautifully showcases all those different shades, giving your braid extra depth and movement. And if you want an updo that's fast but looks like you spent ages on it, the next one is for you. This is a quick, no-fuss style that's perfect for windy days when you want your hair securely in place but still looking chic. Start by placing a soft, stretchy headband over your hair, letting it sit comfortably around the crown of your head. Then take small sections from the front and gently tuck them into the band, working your way toward the back. Continue until every strand is neatly tucked in, adjusting the pieces as you go for an even finish. The result is a neat, vintage-inspired updo that looks far more intricate than it really is, making it ideal for last-minute plans or days when you don't feel like spending much time on your hair. The next one is a forever favorite. If you're looking for a classic hairstyle in the fall, low chignon is definitely something to consider. The low chignon is a forever favorite because it's elegant, forgiving, and incredibly easy to pull together even on a rushed morning. Roll your hair upward at the nape, pin it loosely, and then use your fingers to gently pull and soften the shape so it doesn't look too structured. The result is a romantic bun that feels full without being stiff or severe. You can keep it simple for everyday wear or add a hairpin for a touch of sparkle. It's the perfect finish for a fall outfit, whether that's a cozy sweater and jeans for a weekend stroll or a chic dress for an evening out. I'd love to know, which of these hairstyles feels most like you? Share it in the comments so we can swap ideas and inspire each other. If you enjoyed this video, this next one is definitely for you.